Hey, this is Gabe. Welcome back to another video. This particular Craftsman combo kit I bought back in probably 2006 when I was building my entertainment center. So as you can see, it's a 5-piece combo. It has a reciprocating saw, a drill, a circular saw with a laser, has a light, and a jigsaw, or excuse me, not a jigsaw, a battery nailer here. Not the best tool in the world. The light still works after all these years. But what I want to talk about in this video are the batteries. So like I was saying, I want to talk about the batteries real quick. And I have probably replaced these batteries at least twice with a nickel metal hydrate batteries. And I bought 2 sets of 2 of these lithium ion replacements. And making the switch from the nickel metal hydrate batteries to the lithium ion. And I bought numerous battery chargers also. This is the charger that comes with these. I just opted for the cheap charger because I didn't know how long this was going to last. But so far, this charger has been working for probably 3 years or longer since I switched over to this type of battery. Now, the nickel metal hydrate batteries were much larger and didn't hold a charge for very long, and pretty much just useless, but you can still buy them. And I was happy with it for a lot of years, but as you can see in the picture, right here on these lithium ion batteries, let me see if you can see that any better. Well, if you look at it like this, this is the way this should look when you have the nickel metal hydrate. But this comes with 2 tabs here and here. And I literally had to cut those 2 tabs out with a 1/8 inch chisel all the way down to where it bottoms out there on the bottom in order to get this to slide all the way up into here. Otherwise, it wouldn't go inside here. So that was the only change I had to make in order to make the switch from the lithium or the nickel metal hydrate batteries to the lithium batteries. It seems like every few years, the manufacturers that make these cordless drills, they switch how the battery mechanism works so that so that when they die, you have to replace the whole thing. It's sort of like a cell phone. After a couple of years, when they no longer hold a charge, you got to trade in for another whole set. I wasn't willing to go out and spend another several $100s for a combo kit. So instead, I took a chance of buying 2 of these at my local home center. And it was like 50 bucks, so it was worth a chance of taking and just trying out. But it worked quite well. As you can see, that works. The other tools work good. I've been using them for years since I've made this switch. They last a lot longer, much more durable, and I'll get several more years out of this. And I've beat this thing to death. You see, even this is starting to fall apart on me from use. I've dropped this off the ladder numerous times, off the roof twice when I was building my old pergola at my old house and whatnot. So It's got me through a lot of construction, and the batteries, just making that switch really helped me out. So if you have an old set like this, you can get some more life out of it just by, like I said, making that change. Just a slight modification is all it is right there. And if we break those two little tabs out, these will work inside here. And I'm going to attach another picture that I saw also to the end of this video that I saw on Amazon, which is pretty cool. It's like the red part here and up is, you know, goes inside here like you would see. And then a modern battery actually slips in from either the front or the back, whichever it goes. So it sort of modernizes it so you don't have this crazy looking battery configuration. So anyway, I hope this helps. I know it's a quick video on batteries, but I think it's kind of helpful. It really has saved me a lot of money over the long run. And, you know, this has probably outlived its useful life. I know I saw a combo kit like this on eBay the other day. This is March 2022 at the time of this recording. And it was a 5-piece combo kit, just like the one that I have. And it was like 125 bucks. A steal if you spend another 50 bucks on batteries. Make that little change, and you got a nice set of tools that's going to last you quite a while. So I hope that helps someone out there. If it helps, let me know in the comments. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe if you have not. Have a good day. Hey, this is Gabriel Castro. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. You can click on the link right here and subscribe. You can watch a video series right here or the latest video right here.